In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead ads to N8n in a simple and clear step-by-step manner. Whether you're looking to automate your workflows or enhance your lead management process, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, let's begin by visiting the AI workflow automation platform and tools known as N8n. If you've never used N8n before, let me tell you that it's an open-source workflow automation tool that enables you to connect various apps and automate tasks. Next, look for the Sign In button. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen. Now, it's time to head over to the N8n dashboard. If you're not familiar with it, the dashboard is your central hub where your workflows are created and managed. It's a very user-friendly interface that simplifies navigating and organizing different tasks. Once you're in your N8n dashboard, let's proceed to create your first workflow. Here, you'll find the Create Workflow button, which is usually located prominently on the page. By clicking this button, you're opening up the space where you'll design your unique process flows. This stage is exciting because it's where you start building the automation that can save hours of manual work. After that, the next step is to add nodes to your workflow. In N8n, nodes are the individual steps within a workflow, each representing a different task or action. Click on Add Nodes and a search bar will appear. Type Facebook into the search bar. You'll see options related to Facebook, but for this tutorial, we need the Facebook Lead Ads trigger. Select this option. The Lead Ads trigger is a crucial component. It will enable you to capture any new leads directly from your Facebook campaigns. It acts as the starting point for your automation workflow, triggering subsequent actions every time a lead is generated on your Facebook ad. Implementing these steps allows you to seamlessly integrate Facebook lead ads with N8n, creating an automated workflow that can save you time and effort. This integration means that every new lead from your campaigns will automatically trigger whatever follow-up actions you've set up in N8n, be it sending out an email, updating a spreadsheet, or notifying your sales team. So there you have it, a straightforward way to connect Facebook lead ads to N8n that can transform how you handle new leads. By automating this process, you'll ensure a more efficient use of resources and improve your response time to potential customers. Enjoy exploring the power of N8n and optimize your workflows to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.